Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk something about my channel. First, I will start with the name of this channel. My name of this channel, sorry, my channel name is Oxytocin Plus. Okay, it's Oxytocin Plus. Okay. Okay, it's Oxytocin Plus. First, while coming to the term oxytocin, okay, you may have heard something about oxytocin. It's basically, you may have heard something like oxytocin is a love hormone, is a hormone which is released from hypothalamus, which is released by posterior pituitary inside the human brain. You may have also heard oxytocin is a drug which is used to inducing labor pains in pregnant women and used to control uterine bleeding in pregnant women after the childbirth. Okay, its oxytocin is basically a neuropeptide, which means a short chain polypeptide, which is used as a neurotransmitter through the axons inside the human brain. Okay, this is about oxytocin. While coming to the term oxytocin plus, okay, while coming to the term plus, you may have heard some terms like oxytocin plus ergometrin, oxytocin plus and polylike. Okay, while coming to the term oxytocin plus, you may have heard some terms like oxytocin plus ergometrin, oxytocin plus carboprost, oxytocin plus argoxinine, folie plus oxytocin, dinoprostron plus oxytocin, amnitomy plus intravenous oxytocin. Okay, you can't simply write oxytocin plus. Okay, whenever you write oxytocin plus, you have to write some drug or some antibiotic next to it or in front of it. You can't simply write oxytocin plus. Okay, what I am going to tell here is it's a unique term. Okay, oxytocin plus, it's a unique term. You can't write simply oxytocin. Okay, it's a unique term. This is the channel name. Okay, this is not the final name of this channel. Maybe I can improve the name of this channel by adding some more terms, some more hormones. Okay, some more names actually. Maybe I can even change this name of the channel. Okay, now I am going to discuss something about the logo of this channel. Okay, you may have already noticed the logo of this channel. It's a picture of both skull and a spinal cord, because I like these organs. These organs control almost all the actions of the human body, and even a small damage to these organs may lead to a serious injury. So I consider this as the logo of my channel. Okay, may not be the final logo of this channel. Maybe I can improve this logo of this channel by adding some more organs or some more symbols. Okay, maybe I can even change this logo of this channel, but up to now, this is the logo of this channel. Now, while coming to the aim of this channel, the aim of the channel is discussion. Okay, I will discuss the topics I know in the video, and you can discuss further about the topic in the comment section. Okay, while coming to the purpose of this channel, the main purpose of this channel is to provide education. Okay, this is purely an educational channel. Okay, I will catch you in the next lecture.